So I was trying to finish that spoon today, but I got on the phone with a local exhaust shop, and I have to go meet them. So Brittany's vehicle, it's a Ford Explorer, and while we were down in Los Angeles, someone stole the catalytic converter. So we've been raw dogging a straight pipe vehicle for a little bit, and we have just enough to potentially get it fixed or replaced. So depending on the type of damage we're looking at, we might be able to get it done soon, and everything's gonna be all good. But that's what we're doing right now. I went to A1 Muffler, and on the phone it looks like this guy was pretty stand up. I'm hoping that the price of a 97 catalytic converter isn't too crazy. So they're gonna look at it right now, they're gonna go up, and we're just gonna chill. And the goal would be to pray for good news. So we're gonna see. So they took a look at it. We were not missing an O2 sensor, which means the guys that took the catalytic converter last year were professionals. Thank you for at least leaving the O2 sensor. But yeah, we were able to afford a new catalytic converter right now. It's getting done, 5-year warranty, so we can move on with maintaining this car. So like A1 Muffler so far, but just stand-up guys, real old school. And I feel like having it be old school was like super, it makes it kind of comfortable in a way. All right. Got the catalytic converter replaced, no other codes. That was good, all right. About $400. But now that's gonna like really get the ball rolling on a lot of other things, emissions test registrations. We're gonna be chilling. We went to the food pantry, and among a lot of things, I got some pollo salted burritos, right? Chicken, black beans, corn, chili salsa, pepper jack cheese, and rice in a flour tortilla. Got 2 of those joints. And the goal this week, because we got a lot of stuff, planning on going camping. If I have to go to the store, it's for ingredients. 1 to 2 per meal, not like hot food section, not home meals. The goal is to spend under $15 this week total on food. I got enough food, just gotta make it. The only issue, next week's gonna be super hot, like 90s. So that'll be our challenge, but I'm planning on being out the city when it gets too hot. Right now, warming that up, or warming the cast iron, gonna throw that on there. Smash, 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 smash.